This is George with Keller Realty and the Lord Team. We're here today in Apopka, actually close to Sorrento and Plymouth with DR Horton in their community called Bridle Path. So let's walk inside. This particular home is a little over 1,800 square feet and they start in the low threes. This is your typical home. When you walk in, the homes on their left-hand side are two secondary bedrooms, and you'll see that they're nice size. That's got a queen-size bed in both of the bedrooms, and then a full bath. So the kids are up front, typically, in this particular home. As we walk back, and a lot of people need that office space, right here on the right is what's been converted a bedroom into a den. So you've got the ability to have actually 3 full bedrooms and then a den or a 4th bedroom option. Walking into the kitchen, very, very nice. You'll see the 42-inch white cabinets. You've got a really nice granite countertop. Got the stainless steel refrigerator, the undermount sink. So you've got just little upgrades in everything that they're doing here, especially at an affordable price. Very nice chairs at the breakfast bar. Got an eating kitchen. As you can tell, there's 2, 4, 6 chairs. And it can either be oblong or long as you would like it. Nice living area for the TV. Very nice family type home. What's nice here is that the master bedroom is split from the secondary bedrooms. So if we walk into the master bedroom, you'll see that this has a really nice architectural feel to it. You've got your king-size bed, got a chair, bureaus, things on both sides. So it's a very, very workable type home. And here we have a nice bath, double sinks, very nice large shower. Really what's nice in the home this size is a large walk-in closet. More information about DR Horton in Bridle Path in Apopka, give me a call. My cell number is 407-408-5167. George with Keller Realty and the Lord Team.